Hey, okay. Doing another game here in a bit. Just gonna go over a few things that I need to make changes to. First thing is you will see. I'll go daily here. That yeah. I've changed the color of the board. It's so I can see the arrows better. That's one change. Second change is when I play now, I'm gonna try to say that this is like D4, this is F5, stuff like that, because I suck at finding the coordinates for things. So that's another change. Third thing is every game, unless I go for a checkmate, if I'm going for an endgame, it's going to be for a rook endgame. Just because that's the most common endgame, I might as well have a goal in mind, and that's my goal. If I can't win by checkmate, I'm going to go that way. All right. With that being said, let's play. Ooh, I get the white pieces. I am a D4 player, as you can see. So, we're going to bring out the bishop to F4. So I'm playing the Jobava London. Let's see what he does. Going for the mirror, I'm going to play E3 here in hopes of playing F3 and then G4. There we go. And then G5 next. He should be playing H5. Oh. Well, shoot, I can't remember. Do I complete it or not? No, I don't complete it. I bring the bishop out here to D3. They should trade. I should take back with the queen on D3. Because we're going for the pawn storm here. There you go. Knight goes to E2. And I can take back that way. I need a castle to connect the rooks. And then I can push. Ooh. Oh, castle the wrong way. They castled the wrong way. The castle king side, the castle queen side. My rook's connected. I'm going to go G5, trying to open up the position on the king side. Ooh. Okay, they went knight to H5. Attacking the bishop. Bishop's protected twice. I'm not too worried. I'm thinking of just taking and going in, but I should probably move my rook over. So I'm thinking of taking H6. But maybe I should just bring the rook over first. I'll bring the rook over to G1 first, and then I'll do that. I'm not afraid of them taking my bishop. Come on. So, plan is, let's take with the knight. So their bishop takes my bishop on F4. So I'm thinking of taking back with my knight on F4, hitting their knight on H5, forcing them to come back and take and trade the pieces off. So let's do that. Oh yeah, I don't have pre-moves turned on. Okay. And they push the pawn there. That's not a big deal. Now, I want to get this knight in the game. I can go to B5, but then I'm going away. So if I bring the knight to E2, I can bring it over to g3. Or I can push. Maybe I'll push. I'll push g6. See what happens. If they take, I can take back. Oh, did I just screw up? I probably just did screw up. But there's a weakness I'm going to attack. So let's go for it. So I moved the knight to e2, hoping to move it to g3, hitting a pawn on g5. They're going after my queen, which is fine. Moving it down to d2, attacking it. I'm not afraid. Gave me a check. King to b2. Will they bring the queen? They would do. I attack the queen. Queen comes in. And then the attack basically stops. Knight, knight. Okay, let's try trade off the knights. So I'm bringing the knight back to c3, hoping to trade off the knight. Let's move the king to little bit safer spot. That's probably just a waste of time for me. I need to think of an attack. Can I open up the position? Okay. He pushed b6, probably going for c5. I brought the rook to e1, hoping to attack. Oh, yeah. I should have left the queen, the king there. That's fine. Okay, move the queen from c3 to d3. Gonna try swing it in to f5. Oh, I might not be able to now. So I brought the queen to ooh. I'm screwed. That's fine. Okay, still have a chance. Will they get greedy? They're trying to think. Okay, so they can either... I think they should just push. Oh, or not. I don't want to trade queens. So, gave me a check on c4. Moved the king from e2 to f2. Gonna hide it behind or next to the f3 pawn here. I have a chance. If I can take the queen and I have a chance to counterattack. But I'm 2 moves away. I'm 2 moves away. That king moved from B1 to C1. That was bad. Oh, shoot. I don't think I can get past this. As I might have to go for the draw. I messed up. That's okay. But yeah, that's the right move. I should have kept the king on H3. Good game. Where's the resign button? Resign. Good game. I lost. Oh, well. Okay. I'm more than certain that move here was what killed me. Yeah, the game review. Let's check it out. Not bad. The one blunder. I wonder if that blunder was for that king. That was just a bad setup. Okay. See, we're still even. I was ahead, and then that was oh no, that was just a miss. That wasn't the blunder. I should have taken. Are you kidding me? I should have just taken it. And that would have opened it up. I was thinking about that. Why didn't I do that? I can't remember. But good to know. Oh, that's right. I wanted to pin first. I wanted to do a discovered check. Okay. Fine. We did not have enough time. Got it. All right. Did not have enough time. So we got to go for that next time. Traded everything. They locked it up. That's what screwed it up for me. But that was also inaccurate for them. Interesting. Target. What's the follow-up? To open it up right away. Okay. Stuff to learn. That's fine. Okay, and then he starts counterattacking. I move. Yeah. Oh, my knight move was a mistake. Okay, what should I have moved instead? Okay, I was thinking of this as well. What was that? That would have done okay. And then, so I was thinking of B3, Queen A4. Oh, then they want me to go C3. Check with the queen on B3 block, I'm guessing. Oh, just liquidating everything. No, I don't like that. I was just in a bad position anyways. Yep, that was the blunder. Bloody hell, that was the blunder. Bloody hell. Oh. Oh, that kills. That kills. I knew that was a mistake after I made it. Oh well. All right. After that, yeah, I just lost the rook, and then here, if I went to this way, do you think I would have been able to do a perpetual? Probably. Yeah, I should have just. Yeah, I should have just tried to go for perpetual, but I didn't. Oh well, that is what it is. Lessons learned. The key, though, besides the blunder here, was what move? Here, I should have taken on pawn storm. I should have taken open up position. I should have done that. Even if they try to close it, at least I have a pawn in there infiltrating, bring in the queen or something. But yeah, that's that. I will learn for next time. That's more for me to study. All right. See you on the next game and video. Bye.